Hey everyone, it's Salena here at AmourFabriQues. I am here in the shop making the Hobbie and Hobbie Friends kits. As you guys know, the past 3 months, I've been keeping this pretty well secret. I did share with you guys a video about friends and that I've sent some kits out to. I've actually done a total of 48 of them for my friends and customers. The past 15 years in business, I've been really loved and taken care of and supported, and so there are 48 people out there who randomly got them. Some of you guys, I gave you a heads up, especially some of the business people, so they understand, that they're getting them, and if they did decide to share them with you guys in public, that they're not in the shop. Well, that has changed. I have actually put, after doing the 48 random ones, I put 15 in the shop for those who seriously want this kit. I wasn't going to put any in the shop, but I thought, well, what if somebody watches this video and says, hey, I seriously want one of those kits? So I put 15 in there. They are limited supply. I don't have no more than 15. I only had so many of these cards to create these journals. As you can see here, as I'm rambling on, I'm finishing up some of these spines of these journals. I did the zigzag stitch, so it took a very long time to make each and every one of these covers for these kits. Each kit has two little mini journals. As you can see here, there's the Hobbie and the Hobbie. They are just totally cute. It was so much fun. Was it a lot of time to create each journal cover? Sure, but I'm very particular and I wanted it to be perfect. So all you had to do was open up the kit, grab one of these books, and all that you need is inside of it for you as well. Now, stay tuned. If you've watched the video this far, I am giving away 4 of them. So if you're watching this video, at the end of this video, I will tell you how you can enter to get one of these kits. So how I'm going to do it this year is whoever wins a kit will get a kit not only for themselves, but they also get a kit for a friend. So I'm super excited to tell you the details about this at the end of the video. So stay tuned, keep watching, I'll tell you more. I really want to show you guys what the kits are like and what is included in the kit. When you get a kit, you're going to get a kit that's in a box just like this. Isn't the box super cute? I wanted to keep it all protected and make it look like a gift. So if you do decide to get one of these for a friend, it's just ready to go. I topped it off with a cute doily and an applique pinned with a pin. There is an envelope with a friend letter already posted and ready. It is just a beautiful letter that was in one of the Hallerstein Rice's poems. It was just super cute, and I know you guys love her. But as you can see here, you can open up the kit and there would be, like I said, the envelope, the letter, which is super cute, which you can add to it if you want to. The cute little miniature covers that I created for you guys. I even added the little loops at the ends. These are really cute if you want to hang them on a Christmas tree as well. Or if you want to do a tassel pack, at the, each one of them. But yeah, I sewn and just... Oh, that poor brother's sew machine has gone through it. I'm sure I'm going to have it tuned up. At least I use the brother's and not one of my fancy dancy machines. But she's been through it day and night. But the covers turned out absolutely gorgeous, didn't they? I'm in love with them. They're so cute. They're vintage Hobbie and Hobbie playing cards. And I just sewn them with wallpaper and cardstock. So this is what the gift looks like. And as you open it up, I'm going to show you all the details inside. It was so much fun. When I originally decided to do this, I was thinking to myself at the end of September, before my birthday, I was thinking of some friends, and I know I love Hobbie and Hobbie. And I love the meaning of Hobbie Friends. If you guys ever get the chance, do your research, go on the internet and learn the history of Hobbie. It's super cool. And I really wanted to gift my friends and customers who have blessed me through the years. And I really wanted to surprise them. So it turned out better and beyond than what I expected. And I had fun. And like I said, I did many late nights, early mornings, in between work and family. It took me nearly 3 months, but, and there's so much has happened during that 3 months, but that'd be a whole nother video. But here we go. So when you open up the box, you're going to see the cute little books here. Inside, you'll have 2 little envelopes. Each one, I've already separated for you guys the pieces for each journal. So the girl book will have its own envelope with the already packaged items. There's embroidery floss with the needle to to sew in your different signatures. This little packet I put together. Each kit, I didn't make that little envelope for each one, but I wanted to show it to you guys for a detail. So here is Bobby, Hobbie's brother. Oops, all my stuff is falling out here. I was hoping to make it easy for the video. But all the pieces you see to make that cute little envelope that I put all the stuff in, you can make yourself. But I was hoping to do a future video to show you how I did it. It was so cute. But has a lot of appliques, lace, doilies. Each one's already prepackaged for you. Isn't it cute? I have so much fun. I should just keep one for me, but I won't. I always get rid of them or give them away or sell them before I even keep one for myself. Look at that cute applique. That's in the boy pack. The girl has like some flowers and stuff. But again, here you go. Here's the girls pack. I put it in one of those cute little envelopes. And it will have, like I said, everything you need for her book and then some. Enough for 3 stickers and more. Each book will have a sticker that you can put on the inside, says this book belongs to. Some stamps and everything else. I'm going to show you guys one pack in detail. And you're going to see it doesn't look like a big pack, but it is super big and it is filled. So I'm going to show one of the packs here in a minute for you guys. Here's the boys pack. Look how cute. Oh, so much fun. Even the cute little doilies, I picked out the ones the size to fit inside the journal. So all you do is fold it without losing any of the doily that would fit into each one of those little journal covers. So cute. All right, let's dig right in. So cute. They're so tiny and adorable, aren't they? Oh, I can't wait till some of you guys are going to get the box and you're going to be totally surprised. I was hoping to get them all out before Christmas, but we'll see. Some of you guys will be a little delayed. As you can see, you get a gold paper clip, which is cute, and you can add a little something on it and put it in your book. The sticker, some flower pages, which you can cut in half, because if you fold it, that'll give you 2 pages. Look at that. Perfect size when you cut at the bottom to fit inside the journal. Isn't that cute? Too cute. Make them tags or what have you, but perfect for the book. Again, like I said, there's that doily. It's going to be next. I had a bunch of doilies, which I have boxes of paper doilies. I think I'm just going to put them in packs and sell them to you guys, but I found some tiny ones. Look at this. Perfect, right? Too cute. I used Diane Shawcraft, for those who know, when I did a video. I'll link the video down below. I did a video of these paper issued to FeedSack paper books, and she sells them in her Amazon shop. But I cut the papers for each pack. So each pack has 2 papers. They're double-sided, and they are copied papers of vintage FeedSack, which I cut them to where they perfectly almost fit in the journal. You might have to trim them a little bit. The girl pack has a pinkish wallpaper. You can have flower pages. I did do a lot of music pages in there along with some children's book pages. All the stationery I found was super adorable. There were butterflies and birds, and I did it to where when you folded it in half, the lined paper would be available to write on it. Look at all this lined paper. So when you fold it, you can be able to write. Oops, sorry, upside down. Isn't it just adorable? Beautiful colors. Look at that. This is going to be so much fun. Each pack is equally beautiful, guys. I had so many papers and stationery and pages that was perfect for these journals. I had a lot of Helen Steiner Rice book pages. That's coming up here soon. So poems about friends. That is a part of the steps of what it took for me to make these books. Between her and those friend books I found, it was perfect. That's why I scanned and copied one of her poems for the top of the journal cover, the box, for you guys, because it after reading it, when you do get it, it was just so special. Again, the kits, I do have 15. I put it in the shop. I was surprised I did it, but I did it because I know there's going to be people like, I don't know if I'm going to win the giveaway or if I'm going to get one, and I really want one for my friend. So I did. I put them in there. I made them. I just finished them up last night, so they're ready to ship out. A French pages from the dictionary, tiny and cute, which I thought was perfect. Trying to think here. Oh yeah, I even put a couple pages of my coffee dye paper. They're long, but they are perfect for journal pages, and there's extra pieces that you can cut off of it for tags or what have you. But see what I did here? I kind of just sewn around one of them, and I put a doily on the end, which you could do and make it as part of one of your signatures folds, you know. It's just super cute. I just did it for display purposes to show you what you can do. And that cute. I made sure the doilies in each pack was super tiny and adorable to fit inside. But you get to cut it down, and mine I made it kind of a little big, but it was more for display. But too cute. So I put a couple coffee dye papers in there per kit. So everything you see here that I'm showing you in this one kit, that is all for the girl one. I even put, look at here, the girl one. There's the key applique you'll get in there. You got some coarse cross stitch, some lace, crocheted lace, and trims. The exact pieces you see here is exactly what you're getting in the kit. It's just adorable. So lovely. It's so my era of Holly Hobby, and it's just precious. But yeah, so you get a lot of cute pieces. The boy kit has the same type of pieces, but of course boy trims and blues and greens, and this here is what's in the girl one. But at least I got to show you one of the packs so you can see what just one journal gets. And there's 2 journals and covers cat in this pack, so, and it's just precious. I'm just super grateful for many good people in my life. Even some of these friends I did send the kits to who, I'll be positive. Anyways, I've sent to some people anyways, I just hope that each and every one loves them and appreciates them. And at least they know that I really am grateful for them and them in my life. And I'm grateful for all of you guys. Again, like I said, I wish I could just send to every one of you guys. But one, I wouldn't have the time or the resources to make sure each and every one of you that have been in my life to have one. But at least like I said, I have 15. If you guys do want to pick them up, again, I have 4 that I'm going to do as a giveaway. Now, if you've watched a video this long to be part of this giveaway, down below, comment about a friend that you appreciate. State their name, or don't state their name, but mention a friend that you do appreciate and why. I mean, I'd love to hear who you guys are grateful for. And when I do the drawing, I was going to do it Christmas Eve. And then 2 of the winners who are drawn for that giveaway, you will get a kit and your friend will get a kit. So I hope you guys spread some beautiful positive things down below about someone who's been very important in your life. I will post in social media and here a video later about when I'll be drawing the names for the giveaway for these friends kits. Like I said, I'll be drawing 2 names, and each winner will get a kit and their friend will get a kit. So down below, don't forget to comment something special about a friend. Again, I hope you guys love these little Holly Hobby, Bobby Hobby books and the 48 people who are surprised, and I'm super grateful for. You guys are all important, and enjoy. Here's the rest of the video and some music. You guys have a beautiful day. Bye.